When you're suffering from depression, what do you do when your medication stops working? If treating your depression with medication and talk therapy hasn't helped, there may be another option. TMS is a safe, non-pharmacological treatment used to help people suffering from their non-responsive depression. Transcranial Magnetic Stimulation, or TMS, is a non-invasive form of brain stimulation. The underactive areas of the brain that are responsible for your mood are treated with mild magnetic pulses that stimulate cells and improve brain functions. These pulses encourage the cells to activate and release mood-enhancing signals throughout the body, providing relief from stubborn depression symptoms. First, a specialized cap is placed over the patient's head, and the appropriate treatment areas will be determined. TMS therapy directs a concentrated magnetic field to the mapped areas, lifting the clouds of depression. The brain becomes encouraged to create serotonin, improving mood and relieving symptoms. If you're suffering from treatment-resistant depression and are looking for a safe and effective way to treat your symptoms, call pain and spine specialists to determine if TMS is the right option for you.